Hi kabay! So Happy New Year, and for the New Year, meron tayong newest project na located lamang here at the Green Meadows here at Dasmariñas, Cavite. So itong property sa likod ko is ready for occupancy and single detached unit property. Tama ang rinig mo kabahay, single detached itong ating property featured for today. It has a lot area of 204 square meters and total developed area of 292.19 square meters. Tara, check natin ang ating property. So kabahay, before we enter to our property, please appreciate the design of our featured project. So as you can see, very minimalist po ito. Ito naman ang ating carport area. Meron tayo ditong flooring na made from pebble type. And then meron tayo ditong embossed address. Ito naman po ang ating pedestrian gate. So tara, check natin ang ating property sa loob. So before we enter mga kabahay, meron tayo ditong doorbell na naka-installed sa ating porch area. So ang ating flooring is made from non-skid tiles. Meron tayong inside gardens on both sides. Disclaimer lang mga kabahay, so dito sa carport area, makikita nyo meron pa tayong mga materials na nakakalat. So ito po ay ongoing construction, pero ito po ay near ready for occupancy dahil finishing touches na lang po ang kulang dito sa ating property. Makikita nyo, covered ang ating parking area. Kasya dito ang dalawang sasakyan. And of course, meron tayong access dito sa ating service area. So dito sa ating right side ng property, meron tayong setback area. And makikita nyo ang fence natin is mas mataas sa akin dahil ito po ang height limit requirement dito sa ating village. Meron tayo ditong flooring na made from non-skid tiles. Meron na rin tayo ditong mga nakaabang na water supply for your tank kung preferred nyo po maglagay ng water tank. And meron tayong access dito going to the kitchen area. Of course, meron tayo ditong laundry area. Meron na rin ditong nakaabang na outlets and water supply. So, syempre, single detached ang ating property kaya meron pa tayong another access dito sa left side. So, ito naman ating setback dito. Meron pa rin tayong mga pocket gardens. And meron tayo ditong sliding door access going to the dining area. Tara tuloy kayo mga kabahay. So upon entering mga kabahay dito sa ating main door, ito po ay made from solid wood. Meron tayong keypad lock na nakalagay. And then meron tayo ditong open layout sa ating ground floor. So as you can see, ito ang living area natin. May accent tayo dito sa ating ceiling which is made from PVC. Ang ating wall po dito is meron din pong accent para sa inyong backdrop pag naglagay kayo dito ng television. So mga kabahay, we're now here at the dining area. So as you can see, open layout po ang ating dining area. Meron tayong accent sa ating ceiling which is made from PVC. Meron tayong malaking sliding door dito which is an access going to the lanay area. So sa ground floor mga kabahay, meron tayong isang powder room. So as you can see, meron tayong shelves dito and then syempre meron tayong mga storage area. Ito naman po is the circuit breaker and then ito po ang ating powder area. So sa powder area, makikita nyo, napaka-spacious nito. Meron tayong complete na fixtures dito, which is the toilet seat, the lavatory, mirror, and then yung mga storage for the yung toiletries. So dito naman tayo mga kabay sa kitchen area. So as you can see, meron tayo dito mataas na kitchen countertop. So ito pong ating ilaw sa taas is included also. Meron tayong mga built-in cabinets na over and under. And of course, syempre meron tayo ditong provision for range hood. Meron tayong kasamang cooktop which is 5 sets. And then meron tayo ditong magandang sink which is made from quartz. And of course, mga kabahay, meron tayo ditong storage pull-out. So as you can see, hindi pa po ito finish and wala pang handle. So ito naman is the access going to the laundry area. By the way mga kabay, meron tayong highlight dito sa ating ground floor. Kaya kung kayo ay may elders or PWD na family member, meron tayo ditong ground floor 1 bedroom. And meron tayong built-in cabinets dito. As you can see, malaki po ang ating bedroom number 1 sa ground floor. And ang good thing is, syempre meron tayo ditong own toilet and bath. So dito sa ating bedroom number 1, meron tayong complete picture sa ating toilet and bath. So kung kayo po ay may elders, syempre hindi na sila mahirapan maghanap ng access papunta sa ating toilet. So before we go to the second floor mga kabahay, please appreciate this area under the staircase. So kung makikita nyo, itong area sa staircase is masyado pang malaki. So pwede kayo maglagay dito ng computer table. And of course, hindi mawawala ang malaking mirror for additional lighting dito sa ground floor. So dito nga pala sa ating staircase mga kabahay, ito nga pala is made from solid wood and combination of steel, and then meron tayo ditong tempered glass. Meron tayo ditong malaking fixed window for additional lighting. So dito sa ating second floor mga kabahay, we have a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath. Tara, check natin ang bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 mga kabahay. So sa bedroom number 1 natin, as you can see, very spacious itong ating bedroom. Kasyang-kasya dito up to queen size bed. Meron tayo ditong sliding window for ventilation. Of course, additional window for the lighting. And then, meron tayong floor-to-ceiling na built-in cabinets upon turnover. And the vanity area. We have one common toilet and bath here at the second floor, mga kabahay. So, as you can see, complete pictures po ito with shower enclosure. Meron tayong toilet seat, lavatory, and the shower head. Of course, another set of mirror. Check bedroom number 2. So, sa bedroom number 2 po, same as bedroom number 1, malaki rin po ang ating space dito. Meron tayong proper ventilation for the additional sliding windows and awning windows. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating built-in cabinets, which is floor-to-ceiling and the vanity area. Ito naman ang bedroom number 3 natin mga kabahay. Ang kaibahan po ng ating bedroom number 3 sa bedroom 1 and 2, bukod sa malaki rin po ito, meron itong sariling toilet and bath on the side. Pero syempre, itutur ko muna kayo dito. So, meron tayo dito enough space for your double to queen size bed. Meron tayong floor to ceiling na built-in cabinets and the vanity area. On this area naman is the own toilet and bath dito sa bedroom number 3. Tara, dito na tayo sa master's bedroom mga kabahay. So, as you can see, sobrang laki ng ating space. Kasyang-kasya dito up to king size bed. And of course, hindi mawawala dito ang area papunta sa ating balcony. Meron tayong another highlight dito na wall accent, which is place for your entertainment showcase. Another highlight tayo mga kabahay dahil meron tayo dito walk-in closet and owned master's toilet and bath. So ito ang vanity area natin mga kabahay. Katabi niya ang built-in cabinets natin, which is floor to ceiling ang height. And of course, on the left side is the master's toilet and bath with jacuzzi. So we're now here at the master's toilet and bath mga kabahay. So as you can see, complete pictures tayo dito. Meron shower enclosure and another highlight, merong jacuzzi on the right side. Check na natin mga kabahay ang ating balcony area. So sa balcony area natin makikita nyo, meron tayo ditong steel railings and meron tayo dito included na tempered glass. Malawak po ang ating balcony area. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng coffee table. Nagustuhan mo ba kabahay ang ating property featured for today? Again, this property is amounting to 20 million. You only need 100,000 to reserve this property. So if you are interested to view this property, please send us a message at 0916-518-4710. This is Bon Kapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year!